What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, and today I want to talk about market sentiment. Market sentiment. The reason I want to take time out to talk about market sentiment right now is because all the pros are calling for this pullback. Everybody's talking about this pullback, this correction, this correction. And we've been ducking it so far. We've been ducking that correction like the correction a lot. We've been ducking that correction. Be around the corner at any time. We got Jay Powell gonna talk later today. Predictions are he gonna get a little hawkish. The March rate cut didn't happen. It's March, you feel me? So he might knock stocks down. That's gonna be another challenge. I'm gonna upload another video talking about reaction to that when that finally happens. But just prepare for whatever they throw at us, people, because I think this bull run's getting interesting. And basically what it is, as a person who does a lot of research, looks at a lot of CNBC, a lot of Bloomberg, a lot of Wall Street bets, a lot of just investors, traders, all of it. What I really think's going on, there's a lot of institutional and high-level money managers that miss this current run we're on because of what happened back in 2022 when quantitative easing ended and they cut the money printer off and inflation went high and all those things started to happen and the market started to crash. They didn't buy the dip. They went to cash. They got the 5% bond rates. And a lot of them didn't buy the Nvidias. They didn't buy none of the tech stocks when they was down. They was avoiding the losses. And when it took off too fast for them. They might not have liked certain valuations. And next thing you know, the train left. And I'm not from Wall Street, of course, but from what I hear, they say Nvidia is like a career-making trade on Wall Street. If you really manage money and you miss that, it's going to have people looking at you sideways type shit. So, with that being said, a lot of people are kind of hoping for a pullback so they could jump on. And there's a lot of people who are already in it from the lower levels, myself included. So, with that being said, we just got to brace for impact, people. We got to brace for impact. Don't get shaken out your positions. Don't necessarily do anything too risky just yet. Let them do what they gonna do. Are we gonna remain flat or we gonna go down? I rolled personally all my call options out for like mid 2025, early 2026 for now. I'm gonna be back closer to the money soon. I mean, closer to the dates soon, trust me. But right now, just be prepared for anything. Anything. We just had the NVIDIA GTC conference. They tried to sell the news. It didn't work. So now, at this point, people don't know what to do. The price targets are 1,000 and 1,050 for NVIDIA. NVIDIA's at 900. That's not that much money. So people gonna start looking elsewhere for their gains. Everybody's starting to say the same thing. I was listening to Kathy Wood. They were talking about how back in the day it wasn't Cisco that ended up being the ultimate winner. It went up crazy money like NVIDIA. Anyone who was training made money, crazy money. I think they said 31 times the money or something. But they say the real winners were the people we know and love today, the Netflixes of the world, the Facebooks, the Amazons, the companies that built on top of the internet. So that's why I'm stressing, like, don't let the fast money distract you. It's about the companies that's going to build on top of this AI wave. Like, I like Palantir because I feel like they're going to be a necessary component of what you need to do AI. Like a video game. Like, it's going to be one of the main tools. And even that almost might even be a picks and shovels play in a way, because it's about the companies that's going to be using NVIDIA and using Palantir. What are they going to do? How much money are they going to get? And you know, we got the usual suspects now. Amazon, Facebook, Google, Tesla, Meta, you know the names. But I don't want us to sleep on looking for new opportunities. I'm looking for new stocks right now. I got small positions in stocks that I haven't talked about yet because I'm still doing more research for you guys. But we just gotta keep looking at what's going on. We saw what just happened with SoundHound. I remember when Dan and I said something about SoundHound last year when it was $2 and it didn't move all year. All of a sudden, Nvidia announces what they announced, and they had been running up all year anyway, and rest is history. And I like that company. You know, it's not profitable yet, but I mean that's a hell of a technology. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, man, this was just a quick state of the markets update. I was just letting everybody know, brace for impact. Don't do nothing too crazy. This is not the era to blow up your portfolio. You do not want to get left behind. I remember it was one Wall Street Bets trader who bought Supermicro computer calls at for $1,000, but the date was like too close, like same day or end of the week, something like that. And he ended up losing like all his money, and then like 5 days later, Supermicro hit 1,000 for real. So don't do that to yourself right now. We're not in that era just yet. We was just in that era, and it'll be back. But you know, we cooling off. We gonna see what's up with these bears. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my bulls, and it's Printer Gang. I'm out. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.